What is fingerpicking? This is a question that I've been asked many times. Fingerpicking is a technique of plucking the strings directly with the fingertips or pluckers attached to the fingers. It is a creative technique of playing the guitar. But before we dive into it, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Mystifying Guitar series with me, Madhenge. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. In this lesson, we're going to look at the positioning of the picking hand, the finger roll, and the picking melody. Onto it, the positioning of the hand. After you position your guitar, if you're seated or standing, you place your picking hand, place your thumb on top of the body of the guitar, and then your fingers directly above the strings, such that your thumb is parallel to the strings, but the other fingers, they point towards the strings. Your plucking hand should be placed next to the string to make it easy for the fingers to pluck them. Remember earlier on I told you, comfort is key when it comes to playing guitar. The finger roll, your thumb is going to handle the low notes, that is the E string, the A string, and the D string. Your first finger handles the G string, your second finger handles the B string, and your third finger handles the high E string. There are scenarios where we use the pinky depending on the melody and the finger style that you're going to use. And now onto the picking melody. The picking melody is dependent on the chord progression of the song, and that's where we become creative and create a finger style for the song. Fingerstyle works best in many genres. For example, pop, trap, rumba, folk, blues, name it. Again, a recap, let me come closer to the camera. Your thumb is parallel to your low E string. And it handles, your thumb handles the low E, the A, and the D. Your first finger handles the G. Your second finger handles the B. And your third finger handles the low E. And I've said there are instances where we are going to use the pinky depending on the style that you're playing. And for example, let me show you something here. As you said, the thumb. So we are going to use a G, a D, an E minor, and a C. Our focus will be on this picking hand. So the placement of these fingers is, our thumb will handle the low E and the D. But with this style that I'm going to show you, we can substitute the first finger to play the D, while the other remaining three fingers from the middle finger plays the G, the B, and the E respectively. So we have something like this. Then D, E minor, C. So we have our thumb here. When playing a D, bass note is the D string. Here we don't need the pinky. Then an E minor. Then a C. And that's Now this is what I'm playing while introducing the song. What you need to do, you need to understand how to place your fingers. And then from there on, you're going to get to now advanced movements of the fingers. So that's it for today. We wrap it up there. Next lesson, we are going to expound and look at chords, fingerstyle, and how to apply finger picking in songs. Bye bye.